between two prisoners. Fight has taken place, resulted in the death of one person. Investigation is going on, and I don't want to prejudice the investigation. They have taken stock of the whole situation, and it has nothing to do with anybody else right now. At least it is just two people who have clashed with one another, and one has died.
So whether they were convicts or under trials, both of them?
Both are under trials.
Under trials.
Yes.
And the accused is involved in any other cases? Or what kind of cases?
Accused also and the victim also both are involved in cases outside the state of Goa. The victim has a case in Haryana, and after his trial would be over in the case which is brought here, he would have to be sent back. And the other, the accused who has allegedly hit him, he has a case in Maharashtra, Jalgaon or somewhere. He was in Nasik jail before being transferred here. That's all the preliminary information.